Hello everyone, I am Tegan Wiedenhoff from Beloit, Kansas, and I teach kindergarten at Beloit Elementary School. This will be my 6th year teaching in Beloit and kindergarten, both. So I definitely have many weaknesses when it comes to technology. I have no confidence at all in what I'm doing, or I'm just nervous about trying new things. So that's definitely a weakness of mine. I would say some of my strengths would include I'm just open to learning new. Even though it's scary, I want to know how to do things and learn from that. And so that would be a strength. And also, we have tablets in our classroom. And so I would say that's a strength of mine as I've kind of got those mastered and figured out. So the different technology that our school offers in kindergarten, we each have 7 tablets for our class to share with our students. This next year, we're going to get Chromebooks. All of the upper grades have Chromebooks already, but this year, kindergarten is hopefully going to get a few Chromebooks to use during center time. So that will be something I'll have to learn, but I think I can handle that. I have my own laptop, so I don't think that'll be too tricky. Um, I have an interactive smartboard in my classroom, so I mean, not a smartboard, but an interactive whiteboard. So it's very different than, it's actually a marker board, but it's interactive. So it's a little different than a smartboard. And our school offers a technology class for all the students. And so um, the students are offered a lot of different STEM activities there. They work on Chromebooks and tablets and 3D printing, coding, things like that. So those are the things our school has to offer with technology. I'm excited for this class because I myself don't use Google Docs or Google Slides or anything like that as much as I should. We are a Google school, but I have been too nervous to try it, so I stick with Word and Excel. So hopefully this class and some of the classes in the future will help me branch out and learn new things with the Google community.